Okay, so as we know that there are two actual chemical and reagents are needed for this entrapment experiment. First one is calcium chloride and second one is sodium alginate. So first we need just take some samples from here and drop within sodium alginate. Okay, then actually using the clump of cell, or betterly say we focus to choose single cell, because always we prefer to maintain pure culture or homozygous culture, but it's not possible actually for when we are dealing with microbial cells. So no matter, we are targeting the clump of cell or individual cells which are already embedded within sodium alginate. So just take some samples. Use this. So this is the actual procedure for making synthetic seeds with microbes. So these are the cells already beads formation started. You please observe carefully, because in each beads there is maybe one or somewhere a clump of aspergillus cells. So as already you know that this is the common step for all type of cells. You need to stir at least half an hour. After that the beads actually formed. Okay, so we need to wait half an hour at least. Thereafter we will observe the clear cut picture of synthetic or alginate entrapped aspergillus niger cells. So what's the post experimental part? When you collect these entrapped cells, then you need to send them for storing 4 degrees centigrade, that is in normal fridge, and by this way you easily store them at least 6 to 8 months. Then what to do? You just break this culture by this way. Just I am of the, if you just think about half an hour is over, then you need to know how you revive the culture again. Okay, so in that case you need to take this culture within some liquid media and send them. Okay, send them for overnight stirring with a high speed. Next day, when the alginate cover or entrapped cover or entrapped coat would be broken, then you just need to take some culture over there and inoculate in a fresh media. Just like in normal inoculation procedure, you need to inoculate this. Okay, so by this way you inoculate, and normally you need to send them for normal growth and development of your aspergillus colony. Okay, this is the fundamental step. So let we just observe how is your seeds look like. So if you just look closely with these synthetic seeds, it's not using synthetic seeds here because we use source materials Aspergillus niger. Of course it's also plant. So there are clearly visible the Aspergillus cells embedded within alginate entrapped medium or alginate entrapment. Okay, so please observe the subsequent steps carefully and write down the protocol specifically dedicated with the procedure for microbial cell entrapment. As I already told you, the basic concepts of entrapping human cells or any type of animal cell, also cell, obviously there are lots of difference too, especially for initiating or maintaining cultural condition, and again the post experimental part, that is after conservation, how do you get your revived material which you will use again or multiply again. Okay, এটাই ক্লোজ একটা ছবি তুলে দাও। ভিডিও না ছবি।